My story in Ajax began in a 12 square meter room. At that tiny place, 5 of us sat side by side to solder, tighten, and assemble. Automation? That wasn't even a thought back then. Everything was handmade. We were building 447 detectors each month. I remember it was a serious achievement for us back then. This number still makes me smile today, when our assembly line produces more than 150,000 devices, and we improve those results every month by 9 to 15%. I remember it like it was yesterday. I wore many hats at that time: an engineer, an assembler, a packer. Classics of the early day startups. The team has less free hands than the everlasting amount of tasks they have to handle. If you don't have enough power, well, you simply crash. I'm lucky. I had just enough of what it takes. The first large-scale investment changed everything. Before, we were a promising local startup, and in a moment, we became an international company. Silicon Valley has seen many stories like this. The story of Ajax is no different in this context. But it's not in Palo Alto, California. It's happening here and now in Kyiv, Ukraine. Today, we have a complete production cycle with the fully automated key processes. For each product, we build dedicated equipment, develop a new software, and run a series of tests. You can't substitute this approach with a machine. First of all, Ajax is about the people who come here. It is they who endlessly innovate and improve our technologies. Today, more than 300 men and women work at a production line. We've been building this team for years. Many of us, myself included, came to Ajax as blue-collar workers and grew together with the company as professionals. Here, we all have a chance to realize ourselves. I root, in my turn, for everyone at the production to develop themselves in the direction of their interests. All of us realize the responsibility we have to the people who install our security systems. They count on Ajax to save their lives and protect their property if trouble comes. I invite you to Ajax to make impactful things. Join our team, and let's help people live without fear.